Hi everyone. As part of this video, we will learn how to set up Databricks on our local system. So to get started, we need to Google Databricks Community Edition. After that, click on the link that shows sign up for Databricks Community Edition. Once you are on this page, we need to go and click on Try Databricks. So we will be taken to a form which we need to fill with the details and that will register our account. So let's go ahead and fill the details. Add the email ID that needs to be added. So this is my email ID that I will be adding. Add the company, add the title. The phone is optional, so this can be skipped. Add the country. After filling all the details, click continue. Here we can select any of the cloud providers. In my case, I'm going ahead with Microsoft Azure, and after that click on the link below which shows get started with community edition. So click on that. After clicking on the link, we need to solve a puzzle just to confirm that this is a human being who is filling the form. So we will go ahead and quickly solve this puzzle. So after the puzzle is done, it will load and create the environment. So now we need to go to our email ID and check for the mail from Databricks. So we have received the mail. We will click on the link that is shared. And now we need to set a password. So we will set the password. So the password has been set. And we are now into the Databricks account. So to get a feel of it, what we will do is we will quickly create a notebook and run a sample command just to check that things are working fine. So what we will do is, for now, we will just add a print statement and try to execute it. To execute a cell, click Shift Enter. And before executing, we need to add the compute resource, which will execute the commands. So we will create a cluster for that. So the cluster will take some time for getting started. We will wait for that. And once the cluster is up, the command will be executed. So now our cluster is up and the command is executing. And the command has executed. Now, if we run another print statement and press Shift Enter, we are able to quickly see the output. So this way, we can set up the Databricks environment. This is Databricks Community Edition, which is free. So please go ahead and set up the same in your system. If you found the video useful, please
comment,
like the
and
video.
subscribe.
Please subscribe the channel if you have not yet subscribed, and please share it in your circle so that more people can benefit. Thank you.